I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to turn on Amazon Shipment Update text messages. Step 1. Navigate to Amazon.com and then click Account and List to open a menu. Step 2. Navigate to the Your Account section and then click Account. Step 3. Scroll down this menu until you see the Communication and Content section and then click Shipment Updates via text. Step 4. Check the phone number associated with your Amazon account and then either add or change the number where you'll receive Amazon shipment updates. Click subscribe when you're done. Amazon shipment updates will be texted to you going forward. You can navigate back to this section at any time to unsubscribe and turn off shipment update text messages. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.